Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted messages on iPhone 16e. When you delete a message or a whole conversation by pressing and holding on it, then clicking on more and clicking on trash icon, or if you want to delete the whole conversation, just slide it to the left and click on the delete button. Then it will not be deleted permanently just yet. It will be moved to recently deleted folder for 30 days, and after that 30-day period it will be permanently removed. So let's go to edit, and here you can see show recently deleted, and here you can find the certain conversation that you may want to recover, and click on recover, or actually I'm gonna recover that one. And you can also select a conversation to delete permanently. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.